Hey everybody, today's going to be a little bit different, and the reason being is all my friends are doing cooking videos, and there's some really good cookers. Let me tell you, some of them have actually gone to school for that, but they're doing this professional setup, and so I just want to show the real way to cook a meal. First, we gotta get this pan all nice and hot. And that just kind of preps. A lot of people don't realize that. They start with a cold pan, throw their food in a cold pan. You don't want to do that. You want this pretty warm, nice and hot. Then we're going to take our hamburgers straight out of the freezer. Because ain't no one got time to defrost. Ain't no one got time for that.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
We're going to throw that bad boy right in there. Oh, listen to that sizzle. Listen to it. Now that's cooking. What we're going to do, we're going to take this lid, we're going to put it right on there. Then we're going to wait a little bit. It'll just fall in there, trust me. So after a few minutes, we're going to take a look inside here. Check that out. Check that out. The ice is starting to disappear. This is perfect. Just take it, flip it. Already starting to thaw out. Now, if this is one thing I could teach anybody, if you please take a lesson from me on one thing only, Teflon is bad. I got my stainless steel. I got a bunch of stainless steel. I also have my cast iron. They clean up just as easy as Teflon does when you do it right. You get a little bit better flavor, and you don't have the Teflon going inside your system. Now, I know nothing sticks to Teflon, but then how do they stick to the pan? They can't get to stick to the pan. That's why you're constantly having to rebuy your Teflon plates. These cast iron here, probably 7, 8 years old. This in here, 15 to 20 years old. You don't see Teflon like that because most of the Teflon already ended up in your belly. Stainless steel, cast iron. I prefer cast iron, but today we're using stainless steel because of what I'm cooking. Now you see, as we're cooking, everything's turning out nice. There's nothing sticking to this. You don't need the Teflon. Then you need to spray oil in there. It's all good. We got to crumble this beef up. Yeah, that's looking good right there. Take a look, my friends. Take a look at that. Beautiful stuff right there, I'm telling you. Let that cook a little bit longer, get rid of all that pink. Then we'll get started with the actual meal. So I got my little greaser pan here. Don't want to drain it into your sink because this is going to clog your sink up later on, cause you all sorts of havoc. Look at that. It all comes out nice and clean. No grease was added. And that pan's still slick as can be. Throw that right back in there. Now here's where my recipe comes in a little bit tricky here. I use my secret herbs and spices that I prepackaged, so it'll make it easier later on in life. That way I don't have to keep making it. I just make one big batch, and I'm done. Half a cup of hot water. Listen to that sizzle. Then 2 1/4 cups of milk. Uno. 2. And then a quarter. And there we go. Now we just got to bring this bad boy back up to a boil. Stir it all good. Let them flavors sink in. Alright, it's starting to get warm. Hasn't started boiling yet, but again, ain't nobody got time for that.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
So I'm going to take my special noodles here that I pre-boxed myself. For a later date, of course, you know, pre-box it. Now we're going to bring it down to a simmer. And we're going to cover it. It's going to take about 10 minutes for those noodles to soak up all that moisture and get soft. So I'll see you in a bit. No internet video is complete without the kitty. So here's Bojangles. Say hi, Bojangles. Bojangles is camera shy. Usually he's just all loving and purring. Yeah. He wants to direct behind the scenes. And of course, now that the internet video is complete with the cat, we're going to break the internet with the puppers. The cute puppers. Nobody can resist the puppers. She's such a cute puppers. Ada, say hi. Say hi to everybody. Say hi, internet. Yes, it's a good little puppy, yes. Oh, you're good puppers. Yeah. Here, we'll let you direct too. There you go. So I hope you enjoyed yourself as much as I did. That was real fun. Family recipe that I shared for everybody. Take it home, enjoy it, do what you want. Be sure to do me a favor, hit the like button on the bottom. Subscribe to my channel on YouTube. It'll help me out a lot, and I appreciate that. And to my friends that are showing their cooking stuff, I'm sorry, Gordon Ramsay, Mitchell, you guys are great guys, making great, wonderful food, but we need something more for what people are actually going to cook up and eat around the house. My surprise right here, good stuff, 20 minutes, hardly any cleanup whatsoever. Beautiful stuff.